help Pakistan. And I'm glad that the church, they have involved themselves for the last 18 months to the people who are needy, to the people who are of special persons. And I really commend this job. And I expect that other people who are already helping, and they are on the stage, and some of them helping not on the stage, I want that they should do a little more, contribute more, because there is a saying, आप उसके लिए कोई काम करें जो in return आपके लिए कुछ ना कर सके. This is the message from Prophet. And our Prophet, he teach the people for preaching and teaching. And so I will appeal to the philanthropists of the south of Punjab so that they should help this organization to have their own. They should have their own independent, their office, and also for the wheelchairs, which they have a very meager sort of a place for manufacturing, they should come in a big way. They should support you. If people coming from abroad and helping you, what about those people who are living here and not helping you? They should help you. They should come forward, and they should rather compete with them. So, in this noble cause, I really appreciate the names which I have written. These are Ms. Zahida Qureshi. She is the pioneer. Now she is the president of this organization, head of this organization. I really appreciate. And I appreciate Mr. Domran James, Michael Wine Pope, Jerry Thompson William, Shanawaz Khan, head SPO, Shakir Hussain Shakir, who provided this opportunity so that our message should be very loud and clear. He deal with the media. से लेकर आज तक सिर्फ उस दौर में 34% स्पेंड हुआ जिस दौर में मैं वज़ीर आज़म, उससे न पहले हुआ न उसके बाद हुआ. और आज आप देखें कि जो आपको थोड़ी सी डेवलपमेंट नजर आ रही है, ये उस दौर की, जहाँ एयरपोर्ट्स बने, जहाँ ब्रिजेस बने, जहाँ स्कूल्स एंड कॉलेजेस बने, जहाँ यूनिवर्सिटियों में नुमाइंदगी हुई, और कई बहुत बड़े बड़े मनसूबे लाइक